Don't answer, I'm not be seeing you around. Wow.
Nothing. I went to see my mom for the weekend.
Rella, you're not happy. What's wrong? Rella! Rella!
I come here.
It says she's not happy.
Oh, it's obvious. She doesn't want to stay here.
Why can't you shut your mouth for once?
Wow, you girls are looking so pretty. That means Bro Owen is really taking good care of you girls.
Of course, yes, I will.
I can see.
Just that. He has not been himself ever since that guy came.
And who the hell is that?
Auntie Bella, of course.
And who the hell is Bella?
Bro Owen's wife, Suki.
Wow, that sounds great. So she finally came around. I would like to see her in person. Well, why not go inside? Let's go inside.
Oh,
Sorry, you guys are looking pretty.
Hope you got something for me.
Oh, come on, let's go inside. I'm gonna to be with you.
What was the meaning of what you just did to me outside there?
Oh, I'm sorry, okay? I lost my word.
I hope all is well.
Yeah, please, let's go back. Oh,
It's good to be cold.
Oh, Eric.
Oh, bros.
You are back.
Yeah, bro.
Welcome.
Oh,
How was it?
it was fine, thank you.
Eric!
What the? Bella. What are you doing here?
Eric, Bella here is my wife to be. I mean, I love.
Your what? Wife to be?
do you know her?
Tessie, come with me in my room. Rubbish.
I'm confused. Is there anything you are not telling me? Bella! Bella!
This is just the beginning. Did you see that? Bella. Eric. I've been looking for you since morning.
You have been looking for me. Where have I been?
Nah, there is fire on the mountain.
Oh! You want that?
No,
Oh God, no.
no, nah. See, since morning, this house has been on fire. Eric and his brother has been tearing themselves apart.
If they fight, what concern me? If they tell me as who? As police officer or as what? See, now get happy.
I just say my gist you.
Shut up! Shut up! No, they tell me all those rubbish gist or rubbish anything me no make sense. See, Isaac toilet early from the come now. If you know what is good for you, I go drop shit for the morning food. Now the second food you go give me now, make I use stay home my body. Anything me Eric and the brother they do, me they do on that side. You know concern me. Now get a day. Why did they kill themselves there? So Ami boy, get out and go and give me my food now. Move! Move! I broke Ami boy.
I just say my thing.
I think so that your father died. You understand? Nowadays rice and food is very high, so we need to eat. Give me my food. I don't go shit. The first shit, now the second food. Do. Give me overload, baby Sama. Amira. Do.
Yeah, but you know I love you.
Yeah, you know you're always been the best so far. And nothing will stop me from loving you.
Yeah, I know.
I wonder what people see in loving a prostitute.
Eddie, are you referring to my wife?
Wait, did I hear you say, like, your wife? Wake up, bro. Because you and I know that Bella here can never be your wife.
What do you mean? No! You want to hit me? Look at them! No, let him hit me! I swear to God, I'll forget your mental brother and I'll fight you back. You fight me? No, yes! You fight me? Here, in my own house?
No way! What is it?
Come on, bad man, please, you fool.
Baby,
Come on.
Calm down, please come and sit down.
No!
It's okay. Calm down. Yeah, sit down.
Look at him. And where are you going?
Eric, please. I know how you feel. But I really love your brother.
Bella, over my dead body, will I allow you marry my only brother? Nature itself will not forgive me if I allow my brother marry a famous prostitute in town like you. God forbid!
Try and understand me. I'm a changed person now. I'm not the woman you used to know before. Please try and understand me. Just give me a chance. Then you see.
Bella, a prostitute is always a prostitute. Tell her on my side.
let me just ask you this question. Who is this Bella to you?
Well, she's very first lady I love. And we are about to get married.
Sir, what makes you think that she was poisoned?
Well, from the autopsy, the doctor said she was poisoned.
Sir, do you have any suspect in mind? Any suspect in mind?
Yes.
And who would that be?
Eric, my brother. He never liked her for once.
Sir, well, we are very, very sorry. We are very, very sorry. We know how we feel. But I promise you one thing, that we, the Nigerian police, will bring the suspect. Let's just go and address your person. And we'll get back to you in subsequent time.
Okay.
Do you have an idea?
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
All right. Good evening. Why we called everyone here is very simple. I want to ask you a little question. Do any of you know what killed Miss Bella?
Yes, all of you here are suspects. You're not allowed to go out, neither to make a cell phone call.
Officer, even to make calls.
Yes, you heard me.
I guess you are Eric, right?
Please, Sir Eric, you're not allowed to move out this premises again.
Wait, I don't understand. Can somebody please tell me what is going on here?
It's all about my friend, Bella.
And so, what about her? I don't fucking care. She can go to hell for all I care. Okay?
Like my colleague said, you are not permitted to leave this premises or make a call.
Yeah, that's true. And meanwhile, please, can all of you give me your cell phones?
I don't get phone.
Mama, don't touch me. My phone, why? Come on. Officer, shut up.
Please, Eric, don't be stubborn.
I know how to handle people like you. We're crime suspects here.
Are you get man? What about your phone?
No, I don't get. I don't get phone.
You say you don't get phone?
I don't get. My son na dey do.
Shut up.
I don't get. My papa no buy me phone. I don't get.
I'll do it.
Sir, what is this?
Yes.
I don't know anything though.
You killed her because they don't want her for your brother.
Officer, I swear with my life, I don't know nothing about Bella's death.
You don't know nothing about her death?
I don't.
Now, talk to me as a man to man. What is the relationship between you and Bella back in school?
Bella used to be my girlfriend back in school. That just, it's nothing else.
Your girlfriend?
Bella used to be my girlfriend back then in school. Believe me, officer, I know nothing about Bella's death. I don't.
But do you remember telling her that over your dead body will she marry your brother?
Officer, I can recall those statements vividly, like I jotted it down. She used to be a once girl back then in school that I used to know. That was why I made those statements, because I was very, very angry. That's just it.
Eric, I'll get back to you. Like we earlier announced that no one move out of these premises or do a phone call. Just cooperate with us after this investigation. All these things will be over. Okay?
Alright, no problem, officer.
Do have a nice day.
Alright, thank you, and you too.
You are the gate man of this house, right? Yes, I'm not be sacked to be the gate man. I'll be the gate man. Yes, let me be the gate man.
Now I want you to tell me. Yes. What happened to Bella?
If na Bella, the first day when they come here, that first day, I open gate. Me and them get small quarrel, small one. So as my best mate they come inside, then they come inside. The next thing, I just say Bella don't die.
So you're trying to tell me that you're innocent?
Sir, if you say I be innocent, now understatement. I be very innocent because number one, na gate I dey stay, and they dey inside the house, that is the main chamber. I dey outside chamber, so I go take know say something happen. I no go feel no now.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
Okay, see, Oga, man tell you, this death of Bella touch my heart. I go make sure I investigate by myself as the gate man, the security man, not gate man. Because if I'm saying it's gate man, I dey make myself underrate. So as the security man, I go investigate. You understand? Investigate everything, then put the total information for your hand. Wait, as you dey go, make sure you look well because they dey thief people here. Mo no go here say police come investigate wetin happen for our compound, the thief and join the investigation. That one na mobile police na me dey go call. So good night. I go make sure I bring more information on how Bella is dead. Waka go and waka come.
You are Rita, the cook in this house.
Yes, I am.
Then how come your gas wife got poisoned in this house?
Oga, me, I don't know. Even that night where that thing happened, the food, as they carry motor come out, the food was cooked, madam no sure.
The food you cooked that night?
Nah, madam, Doris and Tracy.
Doris and Tracy?
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Let me go take this woman, make the person come out of the pen. As I take kitchen, I see this police when they ask me many questions. I beg for God, help me.
I don't understand. Are we not suspects?
Of course. Everybody here is a suspect. And who are you?
My friend here, Doris. She stays with us.
Doris. So have you noticed anything around since you came?
No, not really.
Not even any phone call or strange movements?
No, sir.
That means Noella is a suspect.
You're right.
Meanwhile, you can go inside, go inside.
You want to leave this place?
because they came back late that morning.
Where is this man?
She's here, she's inside.
She's in this house.
Yes.
Just go.
Okay, let me call her. They are good people. Okay, if you say so. Let me be fun because I don't know. Okay, I will
I hope nobody saw me with no symptoms. Are you sure? Okay. I trust you. Don't worry, I'm just going to here.
I'll still make sure I put it back. This one. Shut up! Touch your gun! I want. Go there! Bastard! Come on!
Stop this drugs!
It's the one! Come on!
This boy!
Bastard! Come on! Come on, stand up! Bastard! Look here! Come on, come here! Who is this? Come on! Do you know this woman?
Yes, I know her.
How did you know her?
She gave me money to kill someone.
Hey!
Jesus!
Mr. Wen. Dweller here is the one that killed your wife.
Shit! You, Noera, you killed your best friend. I'm here accusing.
Do you know this woman? And just calm down. Just calm down. Miss Noella Osai, you are under arrest for the murder of Miss Donatus Bella. Boys, take her away.
Yes!
Take her! I don't have a next rope! Move it! But the first time I see you, I don't